Okay, this is how to adjust brightness in your photo. If you go to your camera app and then you go to your photo mode, we'll just go to photo. To adjust the brightness, one easy way to do it is to touch the screen where your subject is. You'll see it focuses on that spot, and then it also has a little sun next to it. If I click on a black spot, it'll probably brighten up the photo, like this tree here. You see it adjusts the brightness. If I click over here on this gray spot, it'll adjust the brightness for that spot. So we want to click on the subject, and then to adjust the brightness even more, we're going to slide our finger up and down. So I'll click on the subject, and then you can see as you slide your finger up and down, the brightness icon goes up and down with your finger. So this is very handy if you want to quickly adjust what kind of brightness it has, but I would recommend just clicking on the subject and it kind of figures out the brightness on its own, because once you start messing with it, it can get out of whack. So I kind of just ask it to figure out the subject as best as it can.
If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.